Massive galaxy clusters distort space-time to such an extent that they act as gravitational lenses, bending and magnifying the light from even more distant galaxies. This effect allows astronomers to see more details than would normally be possible. The case of galaxy MRG 0138 is particularly interesting because the Hubble Space Telescope observed it during a supernova explosion, which astronomers named Requiem. Now, it has been announced that the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, detected a new supernova in the same location in November 2023. This is an exciting discovery, not only for the study of supernova, but also because it could help scientists better understand the expansion of the universe. The galaxy cluster in front of MRG 0138 creates 5 different images of the galaxy. This means that the supernova explosion is also seen in 5 separate images. However, since light travels along different paths, some routes take significantly longer to reach us. It is estimated that one of these images of the explosion won't appear until the mid-2030s. Similarly, images of supernovae seen through gravitational lensing can appear over the course of days, weeks, or even years. By measuring the time delay between these multiple images, astronomers can calculate the rate of the universe's expansion, known as the Hubble constant, a major unresolved issue in modern cosmology. The problem is that supernovae with multiple lensed images are extremely rare. So far, fewer than a dozen have been discovered. Requiem was a Type Ia supernova, which occurs when a white dwarf star pulls in enough material from a companion star until it reaches a critical mass and collapses under its own gravity. Because the mass threshold is always the same, Type Ia supernovae have a consistent luminosity. They act as what astronomers call standard candles. The brightness of an object depends on its intrinsic luminosity and its distance from Earth. Since the luminosity of Type Ia supernovae is well known, astronomers can use brightness measurements to determine the exact distance to galaxies, which in turn helps refine other cosmological properties. In Hubble's images, 3 bright spots were observed along the distorted path of MRG 0138. In the James Webb images, the galaxy appears similarly distorted, but only 2 bright spots are visible in different positions. Hubble observed Requiem too late to perform detailed calculations on all 4 images, so the full study will only be completed after the appearance of the 5th image in the 2030s. However, James Webb captured the event in real time, allowing astronomers to closely monitor the explosion as it unfolds. Now, astronomers have identified a second gravitationally lensed supernova in the same galaxy as Requiem. This new supernova has been named Encore. The discovery was a lucky coincidence, and researchers are now actively tracking the ongoing explosion. Supernovae are usually unpredictable, but in this case, scientists know exactly when and where to look for the final performance of Requiem and Encore. Infrared observations around 2035 will mark the final act, providing new and highly precise measurements of the Hubble constant, a critical step in solving one of the biggest mysteries in cosmology.